full-time.
Sex tourist.
It's trending now. Yeah. No, actually, I think I am the founder of that. The passport, bro. I'm telling you, like, for example, Colombia. People who go to Colombia. It's people who watch me. Yes. I swear before God, you open the door for sure. You cannot meet a guy in Colombia who does not know my YouTube channel. Yeah. Yes. Only that now I shifted because for the bigger picture, like now crossing this immigration, you know, the bigger you grow, you have to camouflage and be and fit in the society that is running. Otherwise, they will pull you out. So yeah, but I'm full-time passport bro. I believe in traveling and finding love far away from you know, the beauty of also dating women from far countries is even if you there's misunderstanding, they tend to think, oh, he's just an American. That's how maybe they behave. But what do you think people are upset? In the US, a lot of people who don't travel, they're upset with this whole thing about men going to other countries to find women. Why people being a passport bro in the US for a lot of people is a negative thing? You know, no. The thing is, it's because these people don't actually understand when you are in America and when you are out there. Because they have never traveled. So for them, they don't understand. And it's actually not a new thing. It's not new at all. I swear it's not a new thing. It's been going on forever. I stayed at one of my best friend, Richard. And
people have been friends. In Colombia, in those North American countries, they've been together. They've been together in the US. Okay? So they are friends. Now, if they've been friends, and Marwa is doing the things that he's been doing, the things that we've heard him doing about Paulina and those girls in Colombia and stuff. They've been friends, right? Richard, this is what he's doing. Let me bring this video to you so that at least you can understand what I'm talking about.
Alright guys, I'm here at that Mustang Ranch.
This boy actually buy in front. That's what these boys do when they travel to this country. They buy front from this prostitute.
To get the prices, you have to do a little negotiation, and the lady asked for $1,000.
Wow.
For 30 minutes.
Wow, family. Wow.
You can kind of do everything. You get free drinks, but no kissing.
Family, this is what these guys ask for donation to do.
Suite, she will. You got things like a hot tub and stuff, and she will kiss you. And you'll get 1 hour, but she asked for $3,000.
Wow.
And maybe if I want to do 2 hours, it's $5,000.
Wow.
And this information is really hard to get, but that's my experience. So $1,000 for her room, and $3,000 for the suite for 1 hour. $5,000 for about 2 hours, and she would not kiss you in her room. She will not kiss you. You will get some free drinks. If you go to the suite, she will kiss you, and that's $3,000. So that's some very good inside information for you guys, because a lot of people just won't tell you.
That is Richard for you guys.
Wow.
That is Richard for you. That is Richard for you, giving out some information that passport bros need out there.
These guys are real.
Okay, those are some of the prices that is giving for a certain brothel. Guys, and that video is the last video that Richard did on his channel 7 months ago. After that video, he has never posted any video. But let me take you back again. Marwa and Richard, they were in Colombia 5 years ago. Right?
Wow.
And then, later, 3 years ago, when Marwa was with Bo, the ex-girlfriend from Thailand, Marwa said something like, Richard was in trouble. He's having a case.
Why did you get so upset about being called a travel buddy, man? I never seen you so mad on camera. Priya. My God, you're so mad. Think of this. You're traveling with a beautiful girl, super beautiful every day. She's selling travel buddy.
Obviously, the girl don't want tomorrow. Win.
You said don't film me anymore. You were mad. You were legit mad. I told her to go. Because what do you have to gain?
Priya said tomorrow.
Yeah.
No, you don't get the pump.
that.
You just
No, the idea
there was
is
a lot of tension there.
yeah, it's true. Actually, people may think we are acting up, but it's true.
Priya.
Turn around, Priya.
No, I don't want to.
So they can see what you're wearing.
No, what is this turn around and all of that?
Yeah,
They
it's
know what
not
I'm
your sex
wearing.
So they
tourist,
can
bro.
only see
Chris Priya is
they
not a
only see your front
prostitute.
part.
So what they'll do by seeing my back part?
Me, I don't fake situations.
Yes.
And you know, people can confuse that with arrogance. It's not about arrogance.
Yes.
Because it's arrogant.
It's purely being honest.
Yes.
Even you, Sultan, you staying with a beautiful girl every day, you're traveling together, carrying bags. Hey, help me here, you help.
Yeah.
But when it reaches to some point, they say they are travel buddies. Sultan, and she's like super beautiful.
Yeah.
Like really beautiful.
Word.
Yeah.
It is a strong
Imagine
word.
you driving me every day. I'm a beautiful girl next here. Just doing my hair like this. Saying, hello guys, how are you? You can't get.
I don't see my because I'm doing
You
this.
can't get because he's a simp.
My friend, you can only drive me for 6 hours. After that, you lose patience. You'll be like, fuck, why am I even driving you? You know?
I was just ready to get out.
You see now, you're thinking about getting out. Washing the dishes?
Yes. No, I'm living the juicy life. Washing our clothes. Actually, your clothes. I'm so kind. I'm doing this for you.
Guys, she's washing my clothes.
It's your low
Please
life,
have a
boy.
dishwasher.
It's your low life.
Like something like this to wash my clothes, and all of my clothes are dirty. So Luz decided before we go to swim upstairs, she's gonna be helping me wash the clothes. Hey,
Yes.
this is wife material passed.
I swear.
You passed the exam.
This is too much.
Guys, it's a mess. It's a mess here. Our life is in a mess because all of my clothes were dirty. And here, let me show you. It's crazy. Look, we don't have some place where we can wash. I can't wash those clothes from here because the sink is too small. So we decided we're gonna wash them from just here. Hey, Luz, girl. I can't believe you're a European, like girl from France. In France, you do this.
This is a cliche. Yes, we
Like,
don't do
huh?
this. No, I
Yeah,
swear, we don't
because
do
this is my life in Africa. If you come to my, maybe this training is for you to,
This training.
yeah, it's for you to come to Africa.
For free.
Yeah,
we just
family.
sit
Watch a
down
real
and
passport,
send
bro.
someone
This is a
else
real
to
passport, bro. That's a fake sex tourist for a passport, bro, family. This is not guy, a video man cooking for you. Real passport, bro. Yeah, family, so you can actually check out Aspen's Halloween or Hallowman. Check him out, he's actually in Kenya. And I just want to react to this video, family. So he's different, with real passport, bro, than fake sex tourist, family. So I just want to do the difference.
We already know beef for to kill, and this is how we do it here in Africa. You just crush it with your 2 fingers, and you like it. I need some help. Open this for me.
I told you, this is why you need a man in your life.
Yeah.
To open cubes of beef.
Brush it with your finger.
Yay!
Yeah, family.
For the
So,
broth, we separated from the meat, but we're gonna use it to.
yeah, family. So these are the Kenyan
We're gonna use
females
it
for
to
you.
boil our
Kenyan
spaghetti.
females, the African queens.
One more time.
We're about to boil our spaghetti from okay, we're using the Dawat. I've always found Dawat a really good what do you call it? Spaghetti company. Yes, I love their spaghetti. They're awesome.
Okay, so she's pulling the spaghetti out of the bag,
Yeah.
flattening it on her hand.
And we're gonna
She better snap it.
break it into 2. But them not to be really long.
Yeah, shorter sticks. She's so strong, y'all. I can't believe she did it all by herself.
Yeah, strong.
Wow. absolutely amazing. Oh, again. There's more where that came from. Wow.
You tell me what spaghetti are made of.
A good question. You tell me.
You tell me. I asked that first.
Spaghetti is made of it's made of something that comes from the earth. I know that.
For what?
From the earth. It's something something from the earth. I know that's what spaghetti is made of. So
What I know is there's wheat.
wheat, I knew that one. I just want to see if you knew it. All right, back at it again.
Yeah, we let it go.
Let me tell you something. In Louisiana, they get the spaghetti and they throw it on the wall to see if it's ready. You ever heard of that?
No.
So in Louisiana, they get the spaghetti and they throw a piece on the wall to see if it's done.
Oh.
So I want you to practice throwing today.
We're gonna do that.
No, because I don't know how to do it. I just know that's what they do.
We can look on YouTube how they do that.
YouTubers don't YouTube other videos.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. We're gonna let you try.
Okay.
You guys, she says that the spaghetti is ready.
Yeah, I can see this.
Yo,
leave a
family.
comment.
So, as you can see,
Leave a comment, leave a like.
this
Y'all know y'all
passport
good for
bra,
leaving comments,
that's
especially
nice
when a woman in the
African
video.
queen cooking
Oh,
for
they got
you and
everything to
stuff.
say when a woman get in the
I
video.
actually love and
They don't
applaud
say,
that.
you know,
That, you know what I mean?
30%
Not- it's
my
the quality
loyal
of woman
audience
you
say
have, not
something when I was in the
quantity.
camera. When I put you in the camera, it triple. I get 300 comments, you get 1,100. All right, you guys. She says she's done, so we're gonna try it. Let's see. All right, I'm so excited to try this. She's watching over me, so I'm not gonna be able to give my real opinion.
I should go somewhere in the bathroom.
Let's see. It actually tastes delicious. I like the whatever it is, masala flavor difference. Anyway, that is Cooking with Jane. If you like that episode, give it a like. If you want to see more from Jane, say y'all want to see more from Jane.
I want to see more from Jen. Let's go hot purple.
Oh. Okay, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. I just want to make that reaction, family. I've made this video for you guys to let you see real passport bra, the difference with a fake sex tourist family. You know, they travel. Mara travel to get prostitute and put them on camera and to get views, family. That's what he does, family. So we just want to let you guys know that when you send your donation to the Mara family, it's used for different reasons. As you can see, I'm sure you guys send donation to the sister and she spent it all on JB family, and you can see all of that. So, you know what I mean, that's the same thing Mara do, family. What they do, you know what I mean, they will actually, you know, when you send them money, this is what they do. They travel overseas and they buy, you know, prostitute with the money, and, you know, escorts and stuff to put on camera for them to actually make videos and stuff, family. So, you know what I mean, if you keep enabling these things, you're a part of the problem, and you need to stop, family. You need to stop, because this is what they do, family. Just like how the Mara don't want to advise the sister to refund Jam Tours. It's the same thing, family. When they actually get a hold of your stuff, they hold on to it and they try to, you know what I mean, to take your things from your family. So, family, this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. I just want to make that reaction for you so you can see the difference with a fake passport bra and a real passport bra, family. A fake passport bra, family, they have the females doing all kind of demeaning things and low life things, and you know, and what can you see in the video, family, you can see all of that. You can see the difference with Priya and that girl that he found in Colombia, or, you know, Brazil or whatever. You can see the difference. Priya wasn't accepting certain things, Mara, to actually put her on camera, have her showing her ass and all of these things. And you see what this girl do in Brazil? She actually there half naked, family, washing in a place where you wash dishes. She washing Mara dirty clothes. That's to show your family this is the type of person you is. This is the type of person you guys is enabling to make out, you know what I mean, to actually, you know, inspire the world and actually inspire a lot of men to go around and do these things. And as you can see, guys, you know what I mean, his friend Richard World Traveler, as you can see, is actually have a court case right now. He's actually maybe in jail right now because of his behaviors and going around buying prostitute. So you guys see it for yourself, family. You see it for yourself. I don't know what else you want, family. So I just want to actually just share this video with you guys. I'm going to put some comment here so you can read, you know, from both, you know, both sides, so you can see what is going on, family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa, family. One love, God bless. You know, I just advise Mara to advise his sister to refund Jam Tours, because this will never done, this will never end until I get my money. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. I'm out. One love, Jamaica.